Educational Psychology, CTET Paper 2. 1. Which of the following is the most important factor influencing learning? A. Environment of the learner. B. Teacher-student relationship. C. Peer pressure. D. Motivation of the learner. Answer *. D. Motivation of the learner. 2. Who is considered the father of modern psychology? A. Sigmund Freud. B. F. Skinner. C. Wilhelm Wundt. D. John Watson. Answer * C. Wilhelm Wundt. 3. Which of the following theorists is associated with the concept of operant conditioning? A. Piaget. B. Vygotsky. C. B. F. Skinner. D. Thorndike. Answer * C. B. F. Skinner. 4. In the context of child development, which stage is characterized by rapid intellectual development according to Piaget? A. Sensory-motor. B. Preparational. C. Concrete operational. D. Formal operational. Answer * B. Preparational. 5. According to Vygotsky, the gap between what a learner can do independently and what they can do with assistance is called A. Zone of proximal development. B. Scaffolding. C. Classical conditioning. D. Operant conditioning. Answer * A. Zone of proximal development. ## General Tamil, CTET Paper 2. 1. ** Tamilil, Nirai, Enpatan Paul Enna. A. Kurai. B. Kamam. C. Perti. D. Perumai. Answer * C. Perti. 2. Our Vekamaka Otinar, Enpatil Kriyapatam Etu. A. Our. B. Otinar. C. Vekamaka. D. None. Answer * B. Otinar. 3. Alaku, Anra Kolan Maru Vertai Enna. A. Alaka. B. Polivu. C. Upakaram. D. Sirippu. Answer * B. Polivu. 4. ** Pin Varuvanavaral Etu Vinikolakum. A. Anpu. B. Otutal. C. Call. D. Alaku. Answer * C. Call. 5. Our Oru Sirinta Kalainar, Anra Vikkiyatil Vilaivayarvu Enter Korotarukku Ullatu. A. Kalainar. B. Sirinta. C. Our. D. Oru. Answer * B. Sirinta. ## English, CTET Paper 2. 1. What is the synonym of the word benevolent? A. Malevolent. B. Kind. C. Stingy. D. Cruel. Answer * B. Kind. 2. Choose the correctly spelt word. A. Necessary. B. Necessary. C. Necessary. D. Necessary. Answer * B. Necessary. 3. Identify the tense. She has been reading a book. A. Past continuous. B. Present perfect continuous. C. Present continuous. D. Future perfect. Answer * B. Present perfect continuous. 4. What is the antonym of shallow? A. Deep. B. Narrow. C. Wide. D. Broad. Answer * A. Deep. 5. Choose the correct article. This is ___ interesting story. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article. Answer * B. An. ## Social Science, CTET Paper 2. 1. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Babur. Answer * B. Shah Jahan. 2. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on A. August 15, 1947. B. November 26, 1949. C. January 26, 1950. D. October 2, 1947. Answer * B. November 26, 1949. 3. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi against the salt tax? A. Quit India movement. B. Non-cooperation movement. C. Salt Satyagraha. D. Swadeshi movement. Answer * C. Salt Satyagraha. 4. The first battle of Panipat was fought in the year A. 1526. B. 1530. C. 1556. D. 1600. Answer asterisk. A. 1526. 5. Who was the first president of independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Drive. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. D. Sardar Patel. Answer asterisk. C. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. 6. Which is the longest river in India? A. Ganges. B. Brahmaputra. C. Yamuna. D. Godavari. Answer asterisk. A. Ganges. 7. The Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in the year A. 1911. B. 1921. C. 1931. D. 1941. Answer asterisk. B. 1921. 8. Which of the following is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? A. Right to property. B. Right to vote. C. Right to equality. D. Right to work. Answer asterisk. C. Right to equality. 9. Who wrote the book, Discovery of India? A. B. R. Ambedkar. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer asterisk. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. 10. Which among the following is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Himalayas. B. Western Ghats. C. Vindhyas. D. Aravallis. Answer asterisk. D. Aravallis. 11. The capital of British India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in which year? A. 1911. B. 1921. C. 1931. D. 1941. Answer asterisk. A. 1911. 12. Which act divided India into India and Pakistan? A. Government of India Act, 1935. B. Indian Independence Act, 1947. C. Cripps Mission, 1942. D. Morley-Minto Reforms, 1909. Answer asterisk. B. Indian Independence Act, 1947. 13. Who among the following was known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer asterisk. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 14. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Earth. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Answer asterisk. C. Mars. 15. The Great Wall of China was built to protect against invasions from which group? A. Huns. B. Mongols. C. Persians. D. Romans. Answer asterisk. B. Mongols. We are providing all major weekly test batch at 100, join now. And we are providing all kinds of school project, teaching aids, record writing work for all degree members. If you need this service, text me. All competitive exam MCQ bank at low cost. For PGTRB, UGTRB, CTET, TNTET, KTET, all kinds of teachers requirement exam in SK Mangal Educational Psychology based only, most of the MCQs are coming. So if you need it, this book oriented MCQ bank at low cost means call now. PGTRB English question bank at low cost hours. 1000 only. For all major weekly test PDF will send. This service cost only 100 rupees per month, call now.